Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. If you like things that are lightweight and shiny for your motorcycle, you're gonna love this. Tusk has a full offering of titanium bolts in different sizes and specialty bolts. Not only is titanium lighter, it's about 45% lighter on average than your steel bolts. It's also much more corrosion resistant, so it's gonna stay looking good for a very long time, and you can't tell me that these don't look awesome. Now, as I mentioned, there's a lot of different options. We have axle adjuster bolts. Now, the axle adjuster bolts are the only option that will have a silver choice for you, but you've got brake rotor bolts, sprocket bolts, banjo bolts. We even have a seat bolt for KTM, Husqvarna, and gas bikes. Now, here's the deal. We have kits available. The easiest way to see the kits that we have for your bike is just enter the year, make, and model of the bike you have on the homepage, and you will see all the kits we have put together. For example, my 2025 Honda Sierra 450R, we have a triple clamp bolt kit that will come with 8 bolts to replace all the stock ones that I have on my bike. Same thing would go for maybe your handlebar clamp bolts or the pinch bolts that you have on your fork lugs for your front axle. So you can buy kits that will come with everything you need, but here's the nice thing, is that all of these bolts, with the exception of your rotor bolts and your sprocket bolts, come in packs of 2, and you can buy those packs individually. So if you have a few bolts on your bike that you want to replace, but maybe you don't know what size it is, or if there is an option for you, it's very simple. You can take that bolt. For example, we have a rider here who has a Husqvarna. You have that seat bolt up in the front. He took that out, he measured it, and we have a titanium bolt that is the same size, so he replaced it. And you could do the same thing. So you can see all the kits that we have available, but if there's other just one-off bolts on your bike that you want to see if you can replace, just take it out, measure it, and see if one's going to fit. What's also nice about these is that all of them are going to work for both hex. So you're going to have 8 and 10 millimeters on here, but you also do have the Torx on the inside as well. So it's going to be like KTM bolts. Gives you both options. Again, if you like things that are lightweight and shiny, and you want to lighten up your bike, with all the bolts that I replaced on my Honda, I saved about £1 just swapping out those for these. It's a great price on all of them. To see all the different sizes available, all the different kits, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You know the deal, we ship for free over $75. If you want to stay up to date on cool new products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, we'll see you on the trails.